Hey guys, welcome Saturday afternoon vlog. You thought I was tired in the last vlog? As I sit here, I am exhausted. I can't wait. I'm going to Florida in a week and I'm just going to do nothing for 1 week except lay on the beach and then go eat stone crab at night. But I'll come back rested, ready to do a whole bunch of new vlogs. In the last couple of days, I've been updating my PHP MySQL course. Not that it's terrible. It's like 98% up to date. There's a couple little things in there that are out of date, not that would hurt you at all. But I know some people have kittens if they see that older stuff. So I'm pulling that out, putting the brand new stuff, and it also gives me an opportunity to implement my new style, some of the new things that I do now that I didn't do when I produced that course. Anyhow, it's a minor part of the package, but I figure why not? That's what I do, by the way. I update things as they need to be updated inside of the package. So instead of having new names for courses like I used to do, I'm just going to keep the same names, but I'm just going to update the contents within it on a need-to-nerd basis. Fortunately for course creators like me, the technology is pretty stable now in terms of the basics, meaning you don't have these radical changes that you used to get every 5 years. Now, HTML5 is pretty much where it was since 2012, CSS3, JavaScript. Yes, on the advanced end, some things have been added to JavaScript. On the advanced end, some things have been added to PHP 7, 7.1, whatever it is now. But in terms of the basics, the foundations, the core, it's the same. So I update on a need-to-nerd basis. I just wanted to comment on this vlog about a fallacy, something, I don't know what other word to give it, a fallacy or a stupid way or an uninformed way of looking at things. What I'm seeing out there, people are going, man, if I would have bought Bitcoin 7 years ago or 6 years ago, I would have bought 500 bucks, I'd have 100 million. And oh, what a mistake. And I talked about that, and it was tongue-in-cheek when I talked about that, because any experienced investor will tell you that the chance of you keeping a $1,000 investment in Bitcoin till today, where it's worth 100 million, is pretty much zero. Unless you're a crazy person, you'll never do it. I think there might be a handful of people who have done that. Very, very, very rare. And it's kind of silly, in fact. If you buy a stock or a Bitcoin or whatever, and it goes up 10 times to 100 times, and if you don't lighten that load, you don't take profits, you're really playing with fire. I have seen people lose millions because they just got greedy. There's an old expression, I think I got it unfortunately from CNBC, but it's an old expression. They say, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. Now, if you don't know anything about the stock market, a bull is someone who bets on stocks and commodities and I guess cryptocurrency is going up, and a bear bets that they're going to go down. You can make money investing that a stock will actually lose value and you make money. And I won't get into the details here. Anyhow, and a pig is somebody who makes a lot of money and just holds on to the trade, and then watch, it goes up and up, they're making all kinds of money, and then they just watch it fall, and they lose all kinds of money. So that's the old expression. Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. If you made 10 times your money or 5 times your money, or heaven's sakes, you make 100 times your money on a cryptocurrency trade, you're crazy to hold everything, hoping it's going to go up more. It could go up more, but when you see such meteoric rises, it always, at some point, I don't know when, but at some point, it always crashes just as bad, just as bad. Is this me saying that cryptocurrencies are terrible and crypto is bad? No, crypto is a great technology. It's going to be implemented. I just think 99.9% of coins, as they stand, are going to go to nothing, because there's nothing stopping a major banking institution from implementing their own coin. Why would a bank who wants to use crypto technology to make moving funds around easy, why would a bank want to invest billions and billions of dollars to buy Ripple or to buy a Bitcoin or something? Why would they? They just create their own. They set the price at $5 And that's it. And they back it and they don't have to pay anything, right? Except for the development cost of the coin. So it's kind of a whole, it's a silly bubble. But just because it's a silly bubble doesn't mean you can make money. But be careful, pigs get slaughtered, so remember that. Anyway, that's about it. Many more vlogs coming, I tell you, many more. People have asked me, what camera are you using, Stef? What camera? I'm using a cinema camera, which is a high-end camera from Canon. It's a C200. It just came out 4 months ago, 5 months ago, something like that. And it has huge advantages over DSLRs. It's much more expensive, but the workflows and the quality and the flexibility that it gives me is stupendous. So I love it. And I'm also using an 18-35 Sigma lens, which gives me this nice shallow depth of field and the clear image, no matter what the lighting is and so on. Anyway, some people asked, I'm not going to get into any more details because this is not a camera vlog, as you know. Ciao.